if you have accidentally deleted your Instagram story and you want to restore it, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly restore your Instagram story. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram application and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. For the purpose of this video, we will post a little story. For example, here I am posting this black background picture, and after that you simply have to post the story. After posting the story, you have to open your story, and here you can see the option of more. You simply have to click on this, and after that you have to delete the story. Now to restore our story, you simply have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to go to the second option named as your activity. Here you have to scroll down, and here you can see the option of recently deleted. You simply have to click on this, and now as you guys can see that our story has been appeared here. Now if you want to restore it, you simply have to click on this, and you have to click on the more, and here you can see the option of restore, and after that your story will be restored. Then you have to refresh your Instagram page, and after that, as you guys can see that my story has been again appeared. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to restore your Instagram story. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.